So in this video, I wanted to show you how to create a monthly course calendar. A monthly course calendar is really useful for students that struggle with executive functioning skills that really need help to organize themselves. So it's basically just like a calendar. So I'll show you here on my course that what you see is a calendar, and you basically create a new page, and for each of the days you put the most important information. What I had before was my class notes. So for each day I posted class notes that I had. Now that we're in different times, it looks a little bit different. So for example, for this week, I still put that Monday is a holiday. Then I put a link to the work for this week. I put the AT learning tip of the week, and I also posted again what day I have sessions for students. And here I posted that the weekly work is due for Friday at noon, and also that it's the end of the marking period. So it's a really good tool for students to have because they can see what really they need to do for that day or what they need to do for that week. And it also helps with chunking. So here I put it for SLT 10 and 11 for this whole week, but in the following weeks, my plan is to put, for example, lesson 1 and 2 lesson 1 could be done on Monday and Tuesday, lesson 2 then on Wednesday and Thursday, and then on Friday should be time for them to check in. So that would be another idea to do that as well. So let's go back to our sandbox. And once you now click on monthly course calendar, we don't really have that set up yet. So once you click on it, you can now go here and you can call this, let's say, April calendar. Now what you're going to do is you're basically creating a table. So when you create a table, you know you have 5 days of the week, and then you'll just go down 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here are your dates. So for example, here we started with 1, 2, 3, and so on. And then you'll leave some space, and then we'll move on with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. And you get the picture. So now it's really starting to look like a calendar, and you can make this bold so the dates stick out a little bit. And then 14, 15, 16, that would be 13, 14, 15, and so on and so on. And you can bold this as well. And then you click Save. So now here you have your monthly calendar, and on each of these days now, you can go ahead and add something on. So for example, let's say for our following week, let's say 20, 21, whoops, 21, 22, we want to add on our ATL skills. So ATL tip of the week. So here you then would go ahead and type this in, and then you will just highlight this. You're going to put a link to URL, and then you're going to type in the link. You're going to insert it, and then this will highlight this whole text, and then you're going to go ahead and click Save. And you can continue to do the same thing. Next week, I know that I'm also going to have Zoom sessions. So you can put Zoom session from 1 till 2 p.m. And then you can continue to do the same thing for whatever day you have that as well. And click Save. So here you can really see how it's going to look like an actual calendar. Now, when you go back to your home page, let's see if this works. So now we go to monthly course calendar. And now you're here again. So that means they want you to start this again. So here's the trick. Here's what you actually have to do. So you're going to have to link the April page that you just created to your home page. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to Pages, and you're going to go to View All Pages. And then we just created the calendar, which is right here. Sometimes yours might be down here depending on what you've labeled it. So this is your calendar. Now you want this page to be on your home page. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this up here. You're going to copy it. So you're going to copy. You're going to go back to your home page, and you're going to link it to your monthly course calendar. So what you're going to do, you're going to click Edit. You're going to wait just a bit, and you're going to highlight this text right here, and you're going to link to URL. And here you're going to paste, which is your April calendar, and you're going to say Update Link. So now you're going to click Save. And now if you click on this monthly course calendar, here pops up your April calendar.